Tonight, while you're asleep, your body will do one of these two things. It will repair itself or slowly accumulate damage. And there's one simple oil that quietly decides which one happens. Castor oil. Used the right way, at the right time. Because here's what most people don't realize. Nighttime is not just rest, it's cleanup. During deep sleep, your brain flushes waste, your liver dumps toxins, your lymphatic system finally turns on. So when you apply castor oil before bed, you're not just using a remedy. You're syncing a biochemical trigger with your body's natural night shift. That's where the real effects begin. Let's break it down. Benefit number 1, the bloat destroyer. Apply a castor oil pack to your abdomen before sleep. By morning, your stomach looks flattered. Not because of water loss, not because of placebo, because castor oil activates EP3 receptors. These receptors sit in your intestinal smooth muscle. When they switch on, your gut starts moving gently, rhythmically, like unclogging a pipe from the inside. This isn't cosmetic. You're clearing fermentation, gas pressure, and tissue stagnation. That's why the bloat disappears overnight. Benefit number 2, the lymphatic flush. This one matters more than you think. A clinical study showed that castor oil packs applied to the abdomen increased lymphocyte production compared to placebo. Lymphocytes are immune cells. They're also your cleanup crew. When you apply castor oil over the liver or abdomen before bed, you're helping drain the lymphatic system, the body's internal sewer. Toxins get pushed out of tissues, so your body can eliminate them the next morning. If you only use castor oil for one reason, make it this one. Before we go to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you will not miss the next videos. Now, the benefit number 3, deeper sleep and insomnia relief. This is the benefit nobody expects. Castor oil doesn't smell like sleep. It signals sleep. Applied to the eyelids or the belly button, yes. The naval method, it absorbs through the skin and nudges your nervous system into parasympathetic mode. That's rest and repair. Ricinoleic acid lowers inflammation. Inflammation keeps cortisol high. High cortisol blocks melatonin. Lower cortisol means deeper sleep. You fall asleep faster, and you stay there. Benefit number 4, natural Botox for the skin. Stop buying creams that sit on top of your face. Castor oil doesn't sit, it penetrates. Unlike most oils, it's a humectant. It pulls moisture from the air into your skin. Deep. Once inside, it supports collagen and elastin production. Fatty acids fill gaps in the skin matrix. Free radicals get neutralized. You wake up looking like your skin was repaired from the inside out, because it was. Benefit number 5, joint pain relief. If your joints click, ache, or feel stiff in the morning, this matters. Castor oil is a natural anti-inflammatory that works similarly to capsaicin without the burning. Applied to a painful joint and wrapped overnight, it reduces inflammation and interrupts pain signaling molecules like substance P. Studies show it helps with knee osteoarthritis. This isn't numbing pain. It's increasing circulation so the joint can heal. Think lubrication, not masking. Benefit number 6, the gut reset. Let's be honest. If waste isn't moving, health isn't happening. Castor oil is one of the strongest natural laxatives known, and you don't even need to ingest it. Topical application can still stimulate intestinal contractions. It breaks up stagnation, it softens what's stuck, it gets things moving. Apply a pack to the lower abdomen. By morning, there's release. A cleaner gut means a clearer mind. Benefit number 7, hair revival. This is what made castor oil explode online. But the real reason is biochemical. Ricinoleic acid inhibits prostaglandin D2, a protein strongly linked to hair loss. High PGD2 shuts follicles down. Lower it, and blood flow increases. Dormant follicles wake up. Scalp, eyebrows, eyelashes. You're not coating hair, you're feeding the root. Benefit number 8, scar and stretch mark repair. Scar tissue is chaotic, connective tissue, dense, fibrous, disorganized. Castor oil penetrates deep enough to soften that structure. Over time, it encourages healthier tissue remodeling. Stretch marks fade, surgical scars soften. It also helps acne-prone and fungal imbalanced skin by dissolving pore blockages instead of creating them. Benefit number 9, immune system support. Your thymus gland trains immune cells, and it shrinks with age. Applying castor oil over the chest, directly above the thymus, supports immune activity and increases T-cell responsiveness. If you feel run down or sense a cold coming, Applying castor oil before bed is like putting armor on your immune system while you sleep. Benefit number 10. Dry eye relief. Dry eyes aren't a lack of water. They're a lack of oil applied carefully to the eyelids, not into the eyes. Castor oil stabilizes a tear film and unclogs meibomian glands. You wake up without that gritty, burning sensation. Now stop. This part is critical. This is where people mess it up. Most castor oil is extracted using hexane, a petroleum-based solvent. Hexane is a neurotoxin. If you apply hexane-processed oil every night, you absorb that toxin straight through your skin. There's another problem. Plastic bottles. Castor oil is an aggressive penetrator. Stored in plastic, it pulls BPA and phthalates into the oil endocrine disruptors that mimic estrogen. You rub that on your body, and you're doing the opposite of detox. The rule is simple: hexane-free, cold-pressed, and glass bottle only. If it doesn't meet all three, don't use it. They tell you your symptoms are normal. They give you pills for pain and laxatives for digestion. They treat the smoke, not the fire. Now you know the fire is stagnation. You don't need to add more chemicals to your body. You need to help it remove waste. Tonight, apply the pack. Wear an old t-shirt, it stains. Go to sleep, and let the night shift finally do what it was designed to do. Thanks for staying till the end. See you on the next video.